Oh, another pop on AV.
The volume is coming.
Dude. Yeah. Oh, dude, we're so close. We're so close. Give me $2 more. I'll get out. Give me $2 more. Dude, come on, baby. Get it. I need it. I need it. Let's go.
So top of the gap is right there at 157.
Ah, dude, give me 157. I'll take 157. I'll take 157. I'm sick to death of this trade, bro. I'm so tired of this. I'm gonna set a market order, a limit order at 157. Yep.
So we'll get to 156.90.
What? You know what? I'm gonna put it at 156.90. Okay.
It's pushing. It's pushing.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a nice chart too.
You talking about AV?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. I almost don't want to do this. I feel like I'm gonna regret this, but I'm gonna do it. 157, 156.90.
Dude. Oh, I'm not gonna tell you what to do.
Dude, I think I'm gonna hit it. I just want. It's fine. It's fine. This is great. I don't know, dude. Maybe half might be good here.
That's not a bad idea.
Yeah, half might be a better trade here.
And to all our viewers, this is a look inside of the emotional side of trading.
Yes. Yes.
All right. SPY just hit the daily pivot to the upside.
Oh, we are pushing, dude. Go! Am I blowing out your eardrums, bro? Because I'm sorry. I don't give a shit.
No, you know what I know? It's like on my side, you cut out, but on the video, it's still there. I don't know.
Oh, dude, we're so close, bro. Dude, oh my God, we're so close, bro.
Everything is running.
Yeah.
SPY. QQQ is stalling a little bit, not as strong as SPY here. 156.
Dude, let's go! Dude, I don't know. You know what, bro?
This is the greatest thing.
I don't know, dude.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, bro. We're gonna hit. We're gonna hit.
Oh shit.
Yes!
There he goes.
Go! Get up there! All right, dude. I can't. I'm taking this here. I gotta get the hell out of this.
Yeah, not a bad idea.
How do I? Where the? Dude. You know what I hate? All right. Problem is I can't market order this because it all right, here we go.
Tesla's consolidating here. If the market turns, that looks ugly. Oh shit, wrong one.
Oh, I got filled.
Google's still strong.
I filled at 156.47, which is
full position.
Full position. I just got out. I had enough. I had enough. I had to get out.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
I love that. I love that, dude. I don't wait for price targets. I try and tell everybody this. Take your profits.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean anything if you don't take your profits.
Well, what I do is I set it as a goalpost, and I almost never, ever look at it. Look at that rejection, bro. Look at that. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God. It's rejecting. Oh my God.
Man, some whale must have just sold their position.
Yeah, that dropped 0.6%. I'm shaking, bro. I'm nervous. That was great. I love it.
That was awesome. That was very well.